If you're buying your first home in Florida, there are some essential factors that you must know before signing on that dotted line. Today, I'm going to explore what sets Florida apart and how to confidently navigate these unique points. One of Florida's biggest perks is the homestead exemption, which could slash your annual taxes up to $50,000. This includes a $25,000 break on all taxes and another $25,000 non-school exemption. Plus, the Save Our Homes cap limits annual assessed value increases to 3%. That means stability for long-term owners and a helpful break for new buyers. But with sunshine comes responsibilities. You have to pay attention to flood zones. Most coastal and riverfront homes fall into FEMA flood zones, carrying mandatory flood insurance. In high-risk zones like AE, your insurance can cost thousands yearly. That said, waterfront homes often hold strong resale value, so just be sure to understand elevation, flood history, and insurance requirements before you buy. Florida isn't just flood-prone, it's hurricane country, so insurance policies are not cheap. Expect significantly higher premiums compared to other states. Take time to shop around, compare insurers, and bundle policies if possible. If you're thinking about buying a condo, think about association issues that could cost you. New laws require structural inspections and reserve funding, and many older buildings now are being hit with high special assessments or fee spikes. That could end up wiping out the affordability of the condo or even blocking a lender from lending on a condo in troubled condo towers. Always review board minutes, insurance levels, and reserve studies before signing. Quick note on this, the agent, the title rep, and the lender are going to do the majority of this work for you and keep you informed, so it's not necessarily something that you have to pay attention to. In Florida, the concept of homestead adds an extra legal layer, which is creditor protection. Your primary home is protected from forced sale by creditors, provided you meet the acreage limits and residency rules. But this applies only to your personal residence, not second homes or rentals. There are great tools to help you get started. State programs like Florida Housing's First-Time Homebuyer and Florida Assist offer low-interest loans, down payment help, and sometimes assistance for veterans. Florida's housing market is hot, but not without its risks. Prices have climbed fast, especially for waterfront properties, yet older condos may trade lower due to the structural repair crisis. That could open entry-level opportunities, but be cautious with buildings over 30 years old. And lastly, make sure to work with a Florida licensed real estate agent, get a title search, and buy title insurance. Land rights, liens, and condo regulations can vary county by county. Don't skip professional guidance. One oversight can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Like I said a little bit earlier in the video, if you choose to work with an agent that is at least somewhat competent, you're going to be totally covered with everything that I've talked about in this video. All right, so what are the takeaways? Florida offers big tax breaks and home protection, but also high insurance premiums, flood zone realities, and condo complexities. Knowledge is your best tool. With the right strategy, this can be your smartest and safest home buying experience. I hope you got some value out of this video. For way more content on Fort Lauderdale real estate and lifestyle, make sure to subscribe.